This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. When you walk in, you know it's the one. From the nicely manicured lawn and landscaping to the well-kept, open floor plan, and split floor plan. Did I mention the backyard? Well, if you like to spend days or nights outside, you will love the extended back patio, great for entertaining or just relaxing. Call your realtor today and let's get you a home. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.